has got me feeling there must be
Thank you.
when I get lost here, I'm not alone. You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. When the lights go out, when the walls come down, when the world gets cold, you are my home. When the lights go out, when the walls come down, when the world gets cold, you are my home. You feel like home. You feel like home.
Iris, Silso Junior, duol kamo sa Ginoo kanunay. Uban sa pagsuporta ay sa inyong mga damgo. Aron ni ana, nagpadaya kamo sa inyong pagsinabtanay diya sa muluntaron nga kaminyoon.
Fireflies lit up the world as I fell asleep.
Ang magandang bagay na nangyari sa akin, nung nakilala ko si Iris Tumalbong. Bumibisita lang sila nung una, tapos kala ko hindi na siya babalik kasi umalis sila. Pupuntang Malacanang. Tapos nung pagbalik niya, pinilit ko na magkausap ulit kami para ligawan siya at mahalin niya ako.
As it seems.
Hi, Silso. Thank you di ay sa pag-atiman nimo namo sa mga support namo sa mga kinahanglan o thank you sa mga imong kaayo ug maura to I love you.
Dance, a foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed, a disco ball's just hanging by a thread.
Pinapangako ko sa iyo na tatagal tayo at hindi ako magiging pasaway araw-araw at pagsisilbihan kita habang buhay. Dahil mahal na mahal kita.
It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I fall asleep.
You know our love was meant to be. The kind of love that lasts forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go, you're always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. You're the me